eMulga dropping the most basic Raspberry Pi image I've ever seen. But hey, some people like basic, so here we are. New version, Raspberry Pi 4.5.1. Basically, you got a few Sega consoles, a few Nintendo consoles, and a few Atari consoles, and PC Engine. That's it. You do have the entire ROM sets for each one of those. Oh, and you get Neo Geo. It's about 9 gigabytes in size, so really small, although it's not going to fit on an 8 gigabyte SD card. It'll fit on a 16. Kind of the theory behind this was grab an old controller, grab an old Raspberry Pi, because that's just it. This is good for Raspberry Pi 2, 3, and 3B+. This is not going to work for your Raspberry Pi 4. So maybe it's just, you have a 16 gigabyte SD card that came with your GoPro, then you need a bigger one, so it just sits around, so you get that old SD card that's collecting dust, that old controller that's collecting dust, that old monitor. I don't know who has an extra monitor around, but maybe you do. That's collecting dust, that old HDMI cable, that old power supply, that old Pi, and give them some life. Give them some lifeblood, some juice. And that's what this image is all about, so let's go ahead and check it out. So when you boot up, not much here. Carbon theme, no screensavers, no bezels, no shaders installed. Everything just stock. Sega 32X, you got the whole collection. SG-1000, you got the whole collection. Super Nintendo, you got the whole collection, plus Super Famicom. So it's the US releases and a lot of the other releases. Atari 2600, you got 562, 7800. You've got 65 Game Gear. You've got 313 Game Boy. You've got 680 Game Boy Color. You've got 605 Sega Master System. 360 Sega Mega Drive, also known as Genesis, 937. So again, you're going to probably have some Japanese and imports in here as well. Maybe? Yeah. You have some other releases here. You even have some prototypes. Baby's Day Out. Okay, Neo Geo, got all of them. Nintendo. Again, big collection here of Nintendo games. Look at all that. A lot of games. So huge Nintendo set. Huge Nintendo set. PC Engine, you've got 287. So as we saw when you jump into the, into a certain category, there's no video snaps. It's just a quick picture. You do have the clicky-clacky on. If you notice when I'm scrolling through the menu, you can easily hit start on your gamepad and, turn that off. Add screensavers, add more ROMs. Neo Drift Out. And these games are loading just fine. No loading screens either. Just straight in. No bezels, as you see. You got some Neo Geo. Let's see if I can remember the go button. I forget whether it's A or B. All right, it is B. Jump. Easy peasy. Easy peasy. Get out of my kitchen. Whew. That wasn't so good. Ooh, this is not good. We might actually lose now. Oh, that wasn't very good. Didn't give me much of a, oh, I'm actually going to lose this now. I'll actually make it. Barely, barely, barely. Alright, now we're really drifting in the dirt here. That's a pretty good one right there. Jump. The straight areas are the ones where you really gotta not mess up. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, geez. I don't never done the S. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. What's going on? I don't even know what's happening anymore. I need another checkpoint, bro. Grab me a checkpoint. Oh! 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 That was so close. Alright, this is a good start. Ooh, bad start. You never want to say that, I guess, huh? Oh, I wrecked that kid. Ooh, turn too early. Oh, turn. Some of the obstacles come at you a lot faster than the other. What the heck was this? Did anybody catch what? Oh man, see, I can't even. I messed this up. Ooh. Oh. Oh, it's over. I can't. I'd have to make the rest of this lap perfect. Yeah, it's not happening. Oh, that last. Oh, it's still letting me go. I stopped hitting the gas because I didn't know I had more time. Oh. Okay. That was fun. So, final thoughts. I mean, what do you want me to say? Like, it's exactly what they said. They dumped a bunch of stuff, old Pi, old monitor. Hey, at least you know you're starting with a fresh build of RetroPie. You know, it might save you some time versus going to the RetroPie website and grabbing the thing and adding the ROMs yourself. You know, here you go. You can just slap it in the Pi and be done with it. It's a small download too. That's a pro to it. But the cons are just missing so much more potential. Like, give us some more flavors here. Give us some customization. Install some scripts. Yeah. So, but to their point, they weren't like lying. Like, check out this awesome image. It's so cool. We got this, and that. It wasn't that. It was like, hey, you got an old Pi sitting around? Here's a really basic image for you. So, I got to put in that B+ range because, yeah, it did what it said it does. And, yeah, so hope you enjoyed this one, or not, whatever. Like and subscribe, or don't, and we'll catch you on the next one.